Hello, my name is Haley Engel. This video is for my Anatomy and Physiology 2 lab portion of my class. This assignment was to locate 6 structures of the respiratory system and to identify them. The first structure that I chose was the tongue, which is found here within the body. The second structure that I chose was the nasopharynx, which can be seen, it actually extends all the way from here to the back of the throat. The third structure that I chose to select is the pharynx, which can be seen, it's just below the nasopharynx. The next structure that I chose to select is the trachea, which you can see it extends down, excuse me, where it breaks off into a right main branch. So this would be the right bronchus and then the left bronchus, which then further, let me turn it around and see if we can see the left bronchus there. And those extend into the lungs even further to create the bronchial tree, which breaks off in the lungs into small branches. And those are the 6 structures that I selected. Again, to recap, was the tongue, nasopharynx, the pharynx, the trachea, and the right main bronchus and the left main bronchus. Thank you.